Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're going to use your plastic cubes, not the wooden ones, the plastic ones. You're gonna create 7 different 4-block pieces. As you can notice, each piece shape in the picture is made up of 4 blocks. No 2 shapes can be the same. Here are 2 shapes for you. So the first thing I need you to do is to create them using linking cubes. So you're gonna take your linking cubes, and I would
Mr.
stick to
Malley,
one. Yes,
I have a question. You gave us, I think, 25 cubes, right?
I gave you 30.
Okay, 30. So there's 7 of 4. 7 times 4 is 30. Wait,
We're good?
29. Yeah, we're good, never mind.
Okay. So you're gonna take, most of them should be all of the same color. You might have 1 or 2 that are mixed colors, and that's fine. Don't worry about it. I'm thinking making them all the same color would be easier. Okay. So I'm gonna take, for example, 4 blue ones, right? 4 linking cubes that are blue. So today you're going to take 4 linking cubes of each color, and you're going to create different block pieces, and they can't be the same shape. So, okay, here's an easy one, right? So this would be like my first one, just a 4x1, right? That's super easy. I can't repeat this shape anymore. So it has 4 blocks, and it's a unique shape. Now I take 4 of the white ones, right? And I can't make it the same shape. So how can I put these together to create a different shape? I mean, an easy one would be like this, right? Do these shapes match? No. But are they made up of 4? Yes. Okay? So you're going to create 7 different shapes with 4 blocks each. Does that make sense? So each shape has 4 blocks, and no 2 builds are the same. So you have to come up with different shapes. 2 of them are on the right here. These are 2 of them. Notice like this one's hollow right here, right? So if I were to do that one, it would look something. It would look something like this for the number 2 on your screen, right? Something like this. It's okay if there's a space here, right? So this would be a unique shape, right? So then so once you create the 7 with the linking cubes, you are going to draw those 7 on page 68 of your engineering notebook. Use color like the picture below. Take a picture of your built linking cubes and page 68 and upload here. So on page 68, you have isometric, right? So here you're going to draw the 7 of them. So here is one that I did, right? So it's made out of 4, and I'm going to draw it in isometric. So we kind of practice using the internet, right? The computer software was a lot easier. Now we're going to do it on paper, which may or may not be easy for us to do. So you're going to draw the cubes. So here is 1 cube. You see I'm sketching it, like I'm kind of going over and over just to make sure my eyes are okay. Let me try to refocus this. Okay, so that cube to me is the bottom one, or it could be the top one, and then I go down, right? So I'm going to build another cube, right? Another cube, use pencil. So do you guys see how I just did these 4 right here, right? So then I would take my colors, and remember, red is top, blue
Mr.
is
Miller,
right. Yes,
what page is that again?
68.
Okay.
And then green is front. So then you would take your color pencils, I only have markers right now, and you would shade in the front view, the top view, and the right view. And I know that on my screen, the blue and green kind of look the same. So they'll look a little different there. So you draw the shape. So I need, and then I'm going to leave it here because when I take the picture, I'm going to be like, look, Miss Amelie, this is how it looks on the cubes, and this is how I drew it, right? So just in case your drawing's a little bit off. So then, okay, here's the white one. Okay, how do I draw this one? And try to make them all fit. Obviously, you can write this somewhere else. Then
So
you
we
draw.
create our own.
You're creating your own shapes. You're creating 7 shapes. They all have to be
Okay.
different, and they all are made out of 4 cubes. So 4 linking cubes, all different shapes, and you're building them. First, I would build them in like this, making sure none of them match. You're like, okay, none of them match. And then you're going to take some time to draw them. The drawing is the hardest part because you have to see how this isometric paper turns into cubes. And sometimes it's not as easy as you think, you know, sometimes you gotta have to kind of like, okay, you know, erase, draw again, you know, and you want to draw it at an angle, right? You're not going to draw it flat. You're drawing it like this, where this is the front view, this is the right view, and then this is the top view, okay? But all together, like isometric. You're not drawing orthographic, you're drawing isometric. What does that mean? One single drawing shows you front, right, and top view, just like this one. This is called an isometric. It shows me front, right, and top all in one, not orthographic, okay? Are there any questions right now?